Homeostasis is a fundamental concept in biology, essential for the survival and proper functioning of living organisms. At its core, homeostasis refers to the ability of an organism or a system to maintain internal stability and balance in response to external changes. In simpler terms, it's like the body's way of maintaining a stable and harmonious internal environment, much like a thermostat regulates the temperature in a room, whether it's regulating temperature, pH levels, blood sugar, or any other physiological parameter. Homeostasis ensures that the body's internal conditions remain within a narrow range conducive to life. This delicate balance is achieved through intricate feedback mechanisms and regulatory processes that continuously monitor and adjust various bodily functions. Without homeostasis, our bodies would struggle to function properly, making it difficult to adapt to changing environments and threatening our overall well-being. But what is the literal meaning of homeostasis? Well, the literal meaning of homeostasis can be broken down as one. Homeo comes from the Greek word homoios, meaning similar or alike. Stasis is derived from the Greek word stasis, which translates to standing or standing still. So when combined, homeostasis literally means staying the same or remaining similar. This term describes the body's ability to maintain internal stability or equilibrium despite external changes. But what's the importance of homeostasis in biological systems? Well, homeostasis plays a crucial role in biological systems. It ensures that living organisms maintain internal stability and balance, allowing them to function effectively in their environments. Without homeostasis, organisms would struggle to regulate essential physiological processes such as temperature, pH levels, blood pressure, and nutrient balance. Consequently, maintaining homeostasis is essential for the survival, growth, and overall well-being of all living organisms. Feedback systems are integral components of homeostasis, responsible for regulating physiological processes. There are two main types of feedback systems. Negative feedback. Negative feedback is a regulatory mechanism in which the output of a system acts to counteract or dampen changes to the system. When a deviation from the set point is detected, negative feedback works to bring the system back to its optimal state. This process helps maintain stability and prevents excessive fluctuations in physiological variables. Examples of negative feedback include temperature regulation, blood glucose control, and hormone regulation. Positive feedback. In contrast to negative feedback, positive feedback amplifies or reinforces changes to the system, leading to a deviation from the set point. This feedback mechanism is less common in homeostasis, but plays a critical role in certain physiological processes such as childbirth, blood clotting, and the activation of certain hormones. Positive feedback loops continue until a specific endpoint or outcome is achieved, after which the system returns to its baseline state. Control mechanisms are vital for coordinating and regulating homeostasis. Two primary control systems in the body are nervous system. The nervous system is a complex network of cells that transmit signals throughout the body. It plays a crucial role in detecting changes in the internal and external environment and initiating appropriate responses to maintain homeostasis. The nervous system regulates rapid, short-term responses to stimuli, such as reflexes and immediate changes in physiological processes. Endocrine system. The endocrine system consists of glands that produce and release hormones into the bloodstream. These hormones act as chemical messengers, coordinating long-term physiological processes and maintaining homeostasis over extended periods. The endocrine system helps regulate metabolism, growth and development, reproduction, and responses to stress. Hormones produced by the endocrine glands target specific cells or organs, influencing their activity and maintaining overall balance within the body. Thermoregulation. Thermoregulation is the process by which organisms maintain their internal body temperature within a narrow range despite fluctuations in the external environment. This involves physiological mechanisms that generate and dissipate heat to balance the body's heat production and loss. Sweating and shivering. Sweating and shivering are two mechanisms used by the body to regulate temperature. Sweating helps to cool the body by releasing moisture through the skin, which evaporates and dissipates heat. On the other hand, shivering generates heat through rapid muscle contractions, helping to raise body temperature when it falls too low. Blood sugar regulation. Insulin and glucagon. Insulin and glucagon are hormones produced by the pancreas that work together to regulate blood sugar levels. Insulin lowers blood sugar levels by promoting the uptake of glucose into cells for energy or storage, while glucagon raises blood sugar levels by stimulating the release of stored glucose into the bloodstream. Glucose homeostasis. Glucose homeostasis refers to the maintenance of stable blood glucose levels within a narrow range to ensure adequate energy supply to cells. This balance is achieved through the coordinated action of insulin, glucagon, and other hormones involved in glucose metabolism. Water and electrolyte balance. Kidney function. The kidneys play a crucial role in regulating water and electrolyte balance by filtering waste products and excess substances from the bloodstream, including water, sodium, potassium, and chloride. Through processes such as filtration, reabsorption, and secretion, the kidneys help maintain the body's fluid and electrolyte balance. Osmoregulation. Osmoregulation is the process of maintaining the balance of water and solutes within the body's cells and fluids. This involves adjusting the concentration of electrolytes and other solutes in response to changes in hydration status and environmental conditions. Hormones such as antidiuretic hormone, ADH, and aldosterone play key roles in osmoregulation by regulating water reabsorption and electrolyte balance in the kidneys.